All right, getting ready, headed to my race. It's 6:30 in the morning, 21 miles to go. Let's go get it. Mile 1, 13:41. Mile 2, 12:05. Mile 3, 11:07. All right, mile 6 at a 14:44 pace. Last couple miles I haven't checked in. 15 miles to go. Let's go, baby. All right, guys. Mile 8, 12:20 pace. All right, to be honest, this is why we run. The views out here, absolutely stunning. I'm at 8.2 miles. Whew. Let's go. All right, mile 10, 14:05. All right, mile 15, 16:21 pace. Pain cave is real right now. Shit is hard. All right, guys, got it done. No idea what my time is right this second, but you know, it doesn't matter. Got it finished, got it done. Harder than I thought it was gonna be today, but a little bit of grit and got it done.